Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Quora app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora app. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app on your device. Here on top left corner you can see profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now again tap on arrow that is located on right side. Next, it will navigate you to this profile page. Here tap on edit profile. And now tap on edit photo pencil icon. Here either you can take photo or you can choose from library or you can remove photo. For now we are here to change profile picture. So let me take photo. I simply click random photo, so you can take your photo and change your profile picture. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.